We found that medics were taken to locations human rights groups have described to us as black sites, where there's no judicial oversight. Footage of the sites is rare, but this was filmed by a member of the IDF in a football stadium in Gaza City and was posted online in December 2023. Now, you've been investigating black sites in Gaza. What are these black sites being used for?
In these sites, the soldiers has absolutely complete power to abuse, to torture, to hit, to humiliate the detainee without any oversight.
What can you tell me about the detainment of Palestinian doctors and healthcare workers?
There is one characteristic for which this war has stood out is the systematic targeting of the Palestinian healthcare sector in the Gaza Strip. We're not talking about 10, 20, 30, 40 healthcare workers. We're talking about hundreds of detainees. The torture and unlawful treatment to which healthcare workers are subjected is evident intent of the Israeli authorities to destroy Palestinians. So there is also an element of genocidal intent, destroying the healthcare sector, basically taking it out of service through different means, not always necessarily by directly attacking them, but by also detaining hundreds of healthcare workers.